Hello everyone, I am Mayank and welcome to Simplilearn. Today, we will take you through the hands-off lab demo of how you can detect Parkinson disease using Python. Before we start, I hope the screen is clearly visible and the audio is fine. If yes, please type in yes. If there are any issues, to let us know in the chat section so that we can resolve them. Let's wait for some more minutes to let other people join. Until then, let me tell you guys that we have regular updates on multiple technologies. If you are a tech geek on a continuous hunt for the latest technological trends, then consider getting subscribed to our YouTube channel and press that bell icon to never miss any updates from Simplilearn. Okay, great. I think we can get started. So in today's session, we will go through the hands-off lab demo of how you can detect Parkinson disease using machine learning. We will perform different function and analyze the dataset using Python to find who has Parkinson disease and who has not using different Python libraries. Before we move on to the programming part, so here is one question for you guys. We'll give you exactly 1 minute for this. You can comment or you can give your answer in the chat section so I can see if the answers given by you are right or wrong. So the question is, which of the following character is used to give single line comments in Python? Option A, double slash. Option B, hash. Option C, star. Option D, slash star. Let us know your answer in the chat section. So I am starting the timer of 1 minute. You can just type your answer in the comment section or in the chat section. So I'm starting the timer of 1 minute. Let us know your answer in the chat section. Which of the following characters is used to give single line comments in Python? Double slash, hash, star, slash star. I kindly ask that everyone take part in this. Which of the following characters is used to give single line comments in Python? (15 seconds remaining). Which of the following characters is used to give single line comments in Python? One. After the allotted time has passed, those who provided the correct response will receive a response, and those who provided the incorrect response will receive one. Now let's move to our programming part to implement prediction system of Parkinson disease. So first we will open a command prompt to write command to open Jupyter Notebook. So here we will write Jupyter Notebook. Press enter. So this is the landing page of Jupyter Notebook and select here new Python 3. So this is how the Jupyter Notebook UI looks like. So at first we will import some major libraries of Python which will help us in creating a prediction system of Parkinson disease. So I will write here, first I will rename this Parkinson prediction system. So I will write here port numpy as np, and the second one is import pandas as pd, and the next one is from sklearn port svm, then from sklearn dot matrix import accuracy underscore then score. After that, from sklearn dot pre-processing import standard scalar, then from sklearn dot model underscore selection port train underscore test underscore split, then press enter. Yeah. So NumPy is a Python library used for working with arrays. It also has function for working in the domain of linear algebra and matrices. It is an open source project and you can use it freely. NumPy stands for Numerical Python. And the second version, Pandas. Panda is a software library written for the Python programming language for data manipulation and analysis. In particular, it offers data structure and operations for manipulating numerical tables and time series. sklearn. The most effective and reliable Python machine learning library is called sklearn or scikit-learn. Through a Python consistency interface, it offers a variety of effective tools for statistical modeling and machine learning, including classification, regression, and many more. SVM. SVM are utilized in web pages, intrusion detection, face identification, email, gene classification, and handwriting recognition. Among other applications, we utilize SVM in machine learning for some reason, including this. Both classification and regression, linear and non-linear data are supported. sklearn matrices. The sklearn matrices module implements several laws, score, and utility function to measure classification performance. Some matrices might require probability estimate of the positive class, confidence value, or binary decision value. And the next one is accuracy score. In Python, the accuracy score function of the sklearn matrices package calculates the accuracy score for a set of predicted labels against the true labels. sklearn preprocessing. The sklearn preprocessing package offers a number of universal utility functions and transformer classes to modify unprocessed feature vectors into a format better suited for the subsequent estimators. In general, standardizing the dataset in advantages for learning algorithm. Then standard scaler. Each feature of variable is scaled to unit variance. Once standard scaler has removed this mean, this process is carried out independently based on features. Since standard scaler estimate the empirical mean and standard deviation of each feature if they are present in the dataset. And the last one is train test split. Python train test split method divides array or matrices into random subsets for the train and test set of data. We will import the train test split function into our application as shown. Import the train test split variable from the sklearn model selection. So after importing major libraries, let's import dataset. So for that, we will write here df equals to pd dot read underscore csv, then dataset name, so disease dot csv. You can download this dataset from the description box below. So let's see our dataset now. So here I will write df. So this is how our dataset looks like with 195 rows and 24 columns. Okay. So here you can see like we can't see all the 195 rows. Okay. Like top 5 rows, and so here you can see the 3 dots. This three dots. What if I want to see all the 195 rows? So for that I will write here pd dot set underscore option display dot max underscore columns. Here I will write pd dot set option display dot max rows comma none. And here I will write the dataset name df. Yeah. So you can see now we are unable to see the all the 195 rows. Okay, all the 195 rows. So moving forward, we will use head function to see only top 5 rows. So first I will do like this. Okay, here I will write df dot head. So here you can see we can see only top 5 rows of our data set. So basically head is used for showing first 5 rows of the data set. If we will use tail instead of head, so it will show last 5 rows of the data set. So let's move forward and see and using info function to see the information about the data set. So I will write here df dot info. Yeah. So the data frame information is printed via the info method. The data includes the total number of columns, their labels, data kinds, memory use, range index, and the number of cells in each column, like non-null values. Note that the info method does not indeed print the information. Okay. So we all know all the column names and the data types. So here you can see these are the column names and non-null values, then data types. Okay. Yeah. So moving forward, let's see some statical values using describe function. So for that, I will write df dot describe, press enter. Yeah. So here you can see all the statical values of every column like mean, standard deviation, count like 25%, 50%, 75%, the maximum value of that particular column. Okay. For every column. So moving forward, let's see how many columns and rows are present in the dataset using the shape function. For that, I will write here df dot shape. So here you can see we have 195 rows and 24 columns present in our dataset. Okay, like 190, it represents rows and this represents columns. Okay, so moving forward, we will see how many null values are present in the dataset. So for that, we will write df dot is null, then dot sum, then press enter. Is showing data frame objects here. Oh, sorry for that. This is null. Yeah, then press enter. Yeah. So here you can see there is no null values present in our data set. No, 0, 0, 0. All the zeros are here. So we can say this is a good data set. Okay. So I will this. Yeah. So moving forwards, we will distribute our target variable columns. Okay. So for that, I have to write here df status. Status is our target variable. Okay, target column. Dot value underscore counts, and press enter. Yeah. So here you can see zeros and ones, like 147 ones and zeros are 0. Sorry, 48 are 0. So 1 means those who are affected by the Parkinson, and 0 means negative, those who are not affected by the Parkinson disease. So moving forward, what we will do, we will group data based on the target variable. Okay. So for that, I have to write here df dot group by, then status dot mean. Yeah. So here you can see that we group data based on the target variable for each column. For each column, all the 24 columns. Okay. So I hope you guys understand till here. If you have any question or any query regarding any code, like any code till here, so you can just put as in comments or our team will surely provide you the correct solution. Okay. So moving forward, what we will do, we will separate features and target variable. So what we will do, we will drop the two columns, like first one is name column and the second one is status column. And in another variable, we will put status column. Let's see. I have to write x equals to df dot drop, then columns equals to, first one is name and the second one is status. Okay, comma axis equals to 1. Then in y, I will put df status. So let's print x and y. So I will print here, print print y here. Yeah. So here you can see all the x values, and here you can see all the status value like zeros and ones only. Zeros and ones. Okay. Let me do this. Yeah. So moving forward, we will split dataset into training and testing using train test split function. So for that, we will write x underscore train comma x underscore test comma y underscore train comma y underscore test equals to train underscore test underscore split comma y comma test underscore size equals to 0.2 comma random underscore state equals to 2. Yeah. So here what I did, I split training and testing data into 80 and 20% ratio. 80% for training data and 20% for testing. In prediction, like this is the best ratio. So moving forward, let's see how many rows and columns are present in training data and in testing data. So for that, I have to write here print dot shape comma x underscore train dot shape comma x underscore test dot shape. So here you can see, like in training and testing, there are 22 columns. Why? Because we already dropped two columns, name and status. Okay, let me show you first. When we checked this before, there are 24 columns. Okay. So now we have only 22 columns. Why? Because we dropped the name and status column. So X train has 156 rows. This 156 rows. Why? This is 80% of 195. Okay. And this is 20% of 195. This is training. This is testing. So I hope you guys understand till here. If you have any question or any query regarding any code or any machine learning topic and Python, so what you can do, just put as in comments. Our team will shortly provide you the correct solution. So moving forward, what we will do data standardization. Okay. So the process of transforming data into a standardized format so that user may process and evaluate. It is known as data standardization. Most businesses use data from a variety of sources, including databases, data warehouse, lakes, cloud storage, and storage areas. Okay, so for that, I will write SS equals to standard scalar. We all know what is standard scalar. Yeah, so press enter. So we use a standard scalar for it. So I will write here ss dot fit then x underscore train. SS means standard scalar. Okay, don't confuse. Yeah. So using standard scalar, we fit training data into it. So moving forward, we will transform training data and testing data using standard scalar library. Okay. So I will write here x underscore train equals to ss dot transform underscore train. Yeah. Then x underscore test equals to ss means standard scalar dot transform underscore test. Yeah. Then press enter. So transformation is done. Now let's see our training and testing data. For that, I will write here print x underscore train. So this is our training data and print x underscore test. So this is our testing data. Okay. Yeah. So I hope you guys understand till here. If you have any question or any query regarding any code or any machine learning topic, just put as in comments. Our team will shortly provide you the correct solution. So moving forward, we will train our model using SVM method. SVM are utilized in web pages, intrusion detection, face identification, email, gene classification, and handwriting recognition. Among other applications, we utilize SVMs in machine learning for some reason, including this. Okay, so we will do model training using like SVM. So I will write here model equals to SVM dot SVC. I will write here kernel equals to linear. Then press enter. Okay, sklearn.svm has no attribute svc. Okay, my bad. C is capital. Okay, let me check. Okay, K should be small. Then press enter. Yeah, now it's working fine. So let's train SVM with training data. So for that, I will write here model dot fit x underscore train comma y underscore train. Then press enter. Yeah, it's working fine. So moving forward, what we will do model evaluation. So for that, I have to write here x underscore then train underscore prediction equals to model dot predict x underscore train underscore data accuracy equals to accuracy underscore score y underscore train and then x underscore train then prediction. Let me do one thing. I have to write D here for the better understanding. Yeah, then press enter. From this, what we are doing prediction and checking the accuracy of the model SVM. So like we will check accuracy for both training and testing data. Okay. Yeah. So let me check first print accuracy of training data. Data. Here I have to write train underscore data underscore accuracy. Press enter. So the accuracy of training data is almost 89%. like which is not a bad number. So let's check accuracy of the testing data. For that, I have to write here x underscore test underscore prediction equals to model dot predict, then x test test underscore data underscore accuracy equals to accuracy score y underscore test comma x underscore test prediction. Yeah. So now let's see the accuracy of testing data. So for that, I've like print accuracy of testing data test underscore data underscore accuracy. So here you can see the accuracy of testing data is almost 88%. So we're done with the model building and the accuracy part. So let's build predictive system now. Okay, for that I will write. Okay, first let me do one thing. Yeah, first I will write here input data. Okay, then we will change data into numpy array. So for that we will write input underscore data underscore np equals to np dot as array, then input underscore data. Okay, so now what we will do, we will reshape this array. Okay, we will reshape this numpy array. For that I will write input underscore data underscore. For reshape I will write only re. So input underscore data underscore np dot reshape, then 1 to -1. Okay, so now we will standardize the data. For that I will write here s underscore data equals to ss dot transform input put underscore data underscore re for reshape. So now I will make prediction model. Prediction equals to model dot predict the standardized data. So as data, so you have to print prediction. So for that I have to write here if prediction 0 equals to 0. Okay, then it should be print negative no Parkinson's. Okay, else print positive Parkinson Parkinson's found. So we are done with our coding part. So what we will do, I will go on the my data set, open with notepad. So this is our data set. Okay, we will put any random value like this value. Okay, yeah, put it here. So here you can see the status value to the 0. So 0 means negative, no Parkinson found. It should print no Parkinson found. So what I will do, I will remove this to check whether model is giving the right answer or wrong. Then press enter. Yeah. Here you can see it printed Parkinson found. So now we will check from the another one. We'll take the random. We'll pick this one. Okay. I will remove this status value. Then press enter. Okay, something error, one error. 21 feature. Okay. Let me copy it again. C. Then copy it again here. We'll remove this. Yeah, then press enter. Yeah. Here you can see positive Parkinson found because there is one. Status is 1. So you can see the results are coming amazing and correct. So I hope you guys understand till here. If you have any question or any query regarding any code, so just put as in comments. Just ignore this warning. Okay. I hope you guys must understood the concept of how we can detect Parkinson disease using machine learning. If you have any queries, you can ask in the comment section below. Our team will respond you as soon as possible. And if you want this full code, just comment for the same. Thank you so much for being here. If you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and give a like to this video. Thank you and keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.